Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. My today's project is how to make this super gorgeous lily flower using crochet technique. Here I have used only 3 colors of yarn, that is white, green and little bit of brown. And trust me, this is super duper easy to create. Just follow the steps of creating one petal, and with the same method you have to create all remaining petals. And just combine it all together to convert this into beautiful lily flower. You can make the bouquet, you can decorate your home, and without taking much time, let's get started. So here I am taking white color acrylic yarn and creating the slip knot on my tool. Here I am using 2.5 mm crochet hook, and now I am making total 19 chains. So just yarn over, pass through previous loop and you will get the chain. So all the chains are ready. Now on the last chain I am passing the marker so that we know where we have ended. And now for the next step I am making one single crochet in the next chain. So just passing through the chain, yarn over, pass through the same chain, again yarn over and pass through remaining 2 loops. This is called single crochet. Then I am doing 2 half double crochet in the next chain. So just yarn over, pass through the next chain, yarn over, pass through same chain, again yarn over, pass through all 3 loops together, and doing it one more time. Then doing 9 double crochets. So just yarn over, pass through next chain, yarn over, pass through same chain, yarn over, pass through first 2 loops, yarn over and pass through last 2 loops. This is called double crochet, and we have to repeat it for 8 more times so that we will have 9 double crochets. So all 9 double crochets are done. Now I am doing one change half double crochet. So just yarn over, pass through next chain, yarn over, pass through same chain, yarn over, pass through first loop, yarn over, pass through remaining 3 loops. So this is called half double crochet with the change. Now doing 3 half double crochet for next 3 chains. After that I am doing one single crochet, and I have reached to the last chain, so I am doing one single crochet and doing chain 1. Then putting marker on this chain so that we will know the other end. And now in the same stitch I am making one more single crochet, then putting this hanging yarn on other side, and on the next chain doing one single crochet, then making 3 half double crochets, then making 9 double crochet, After that, making 2 half double crochet. Then making 1 single crochet. And I have reached to my marker stitch, so just removing the marker, and on the marked chain I am doing 1 single crochet again, making chain 1. Then taking here 21 centimeter long wire and passing through the chain on which we are working, and then we are going to work along with the chain together. So we have to stitch it on each chain along with the wire. Now I am doing 1 single crochet in the same stitch. Then 1 single crochet in next chain. Then 2 half double crochets. Then 2 double crochet in the same stitch. After that, making 1 double crochet. Then making 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Then making 5 double crochets. Then creating 1 change half double crochet. Then making 3 half double crochets. Then making 3 single crochet. Then removing the marker and creating 3 single crochet in the marked chain. After that, doing 3 single crochet in next 3 chains. Then making 3 half double crochets. Then 1 change half double crochet. Then 5 double crochet. After that, making 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Then 1 double crochet. Then 2 double crochet in same stitch. Then 2 half double crochet in 2 chains. Then doing 1 single crochet. And doing slip stitch to the next chain. Just cut the excess yarn and remove the tool or crochet hook And in this way we have created our one petal of the lily flower, just stretching it nicely and shaping it. So the petal is ready, very easy and pretty. Now I'm doing little bit of shading using soft pastel. So here I am taking yellow and green color and creating the line in the center of the lily. And doing little shading from the bottom part from both the sides using yellow color. And with the same method I'm going to color remaining petals. Now here I am taking again a floral wire, and in the center part I am wrapping brown color yarn. Here I am showing you how to make the center pollens for the flower. So after wrapping it for approximately 1 inch, just cut the yarn and fold your wire in a loop shape. Then hold both the wires from bottom and wrap this using dark green color yarn. Then cutting the excess yarn, and in this way you have created your one pollen, and we need total 5 pollens. Now gathering all 5 pollens in a same height and wrapping it using green color yarn to bind it all together. Like this. Then taking here 3 floral wires to create the stem of the flower. Since I don't have thick stem wire, so I am taking here 3 together to create nice sturdy stem. Now putting one petal like this and wrapping light green color yarn around this. And now I'm going to add all the petals one by one. So after wrapping it for 2 times, connecting another petal, again wrap it for 1 round, connect third petal. And then between 2 petals I am attaching the 4th petal. Then add 5th petal. And then add 6th petal. And then wrap it nicely till the middle of the stem. So here I have reached to the middle of the stem, and similarly, just like we created the lily petals, I have created here leaf using green yarn. So I am just sticking the leaf like this with the lily flower and then wrapping the remaining wire using same yarn. So this is nicely covered till the end, and our beautiful lily flower is also ready. So in this way you can create in different sizes, different colors. I'm just spreading all the pollens like this so that it will look more nice, and you can create beautiful bouquets and bunch using these gorgeous lily flowers. I'm just loving the outcome so much. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.